In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move inbox channels and conversations to Help Desk. This is a helpful change to make when you want your customer messages and ongoing threads to be handled through the Help Desk experience instead of the regular inbox view. Moving a channel can also help your team keep support requests organized, track ownership, and manage replies with a more ticket-focused workflow. I will walk you through exactly where to click, and I will share a few quick tips along the way so you know what to expect before you confirm the move. Start by opening your CRM. From there, navigate to Inboxes. This is the area where your connected messaging channels live, such as email or chat, depending on what your account is using. Once you are on the Inboxes page, look down to the bottom left of your screen and click Inbox Settings. This opens the configuration area where you can manage how your inboxes are set up. Inside Inbox Settings, find and click Channels. The Channels section lists each channel that is currently connected. Take a moment to locate the specific channel you want to move. When you find it, hover your mouse over that channel. You should see an Edit option appear. Click Edit to open that channel settings. Within the channel settings, select Move to Help Desk. This option is the key step that transfers the channel and its conversations into the Help Desk system. Before you finalize it, it is a good idea to pause briefly and make sure you have selected the correct channel, especially if you manage multiple inboxes or similar channel names. After selecting Move to Help Desk, click Confirm to complete the action. Give the system a moment to apply the change. Once confirmed, the channel and its associated conversations will now be handled through Help Desk, which means your team can work from the Help Desk environment going forward. That covers everything you need to know.